call to the global youth or youths across the globe. Let us embrace restoration. Praise the Lord. As we reflect on this passage, youth across the globe, I want us to address the youth across the globe. The journey of life, especially in our formative years, can be fraught with challenges, failures, and doubts. You may feel like Peter, but having made mistakes or denied your faith in moments of weakness. But now you know that Jesus is asking you today, is asking us today, do you love him? Do you love Jesus Christ? Do you love me?